Hey there! I've got a serious question for you. What if losing weight didn't mean starving yourself, counting every calorie, or giving up the foods you love? Sounds too good to be true, right? But thousands of people are already experiencing this with Nutrisystem's Club Advantage Plan, a high-protein, easy-to-follow meal plan designed to help you burn fat, build lean muscle, and feel amazing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why it's different from anything else out there, and how you can secure an exclusive discount today. But first, there's something very important you need to know. Because Nutrisystem is one of the most trusted and proven weight loss programs in the US, their Club Advantage Plan is in high demand. Limited slots are available at this exclusive discount, and once they're gone, prices could go up. And here's the crucial part. Nutrisystem is only available through the official website. There are fake meal plans and imitations online, but if you want to guarantee you're getting the real deal, make sure you order only through the official link in the video description. Nutrisystem's Club Advantage Plan is not just another diet. It's a high-protein, science-backed meal plan designed to help you burn fat while keeping muscle, reduce hunger and cravings throughout the day, make weight loss easy and convenient with pre-made meals, save you time, no meal prep or calorie counting. With Nutrisystem, you eat real, satisfying meals that taste great, while the system does all the hard work for you. It's perfect for busy people who don't want to waste time planning complicated diets or cooking separate meals every day. What makes Nutrisystem Club Advantage different from other weight loss programs? It's built on the science of high-protein, balanced nutrition, meaning your body gets everything it needs to burn fat and stay full longer. Here's what's included: delicious pre-portioned meals, made with high-quality protein to keep you satisfied and fuel your metabolism. Smart Carb and Power Fuel System helps you avoid sugar crashes while keeping energy levels high. Structured Meal Plan takes the guesswork out of dieting so you always know what to eat. And the best part? It's completely flexible. You can mix and match meals, enjoy treats in moderation, and still see real results without feeling like you're on a restrictive diet. Is this plan right for you? If you're someone who struggles with yo-yo dieting and restrictive meal plans, doesn't have time to cook or meal prep every day, wants to lose weight without feeling constantly hungry, needs an easy, structured plan that actually works, then Nutrisystem Club Advantage is exactly what you need. Now let's talk about how you can get started today at the lowest possible price. For a limited time, Nutrisystem is offering an exclusive discount on their Club Advantage plan, but this deal won't last forever. Most people choose the multi-week option because it ensures consistent weight loss results and offers the best value. Plus, Nutrisystem comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so there's absolutely zero risk in giving it a try. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link below now and grab your discount before it's gone. By now, you know that losing weight doesn't have to be complicated. With Nutrisystem Club Advantage, you get delicious, convenient meals backed by science that help you burn fat, feel satisfied, and see real results. But don't forget, this special offer is time sensitive, and once it's gone, prices could increase. Click the official link now to claim your discount and start your transformation today. Get your Nutrisystem Club Advantage Plan in the link below. I'll see you soon, and I can't wait for you to experience the amazing results for yourself. See you in next video. Bye-bye.